Hello, my name is Sean Gorley, and I am a marketing major at the University of South Florida. My UID number is 22771016, and I'm here today to go through my Tableau assignment in my marketing research class. So basically, what we were assigned to do was to get this data sheet and figure out the ways to best represent the data using Tableau. So what I'm going to do is pretty much walk you through my thought process and the assignment. So the cool thing about Tableau is you have sheets. So the first sheet I made was going through gender and age. My second sheet was giving a map and pretty much giving like an easy visual of the different states and how they differ from each other. And the third sheet I used was categorizing relationship and age. So one of the cool things about Tableau is that you can use a dashboard. A dashboard allows you to gather as many visual representations as you want and puts them into one sheet for you. So to go through my map and what I did there, I'll start there. Pretty much the cool thing about this is you can go to a state like Florida, and I set it to have the most important reason for a carbonated beverage, preferred cold beverage, preferred drinking location, and the average age. And I was able to use a heat map to gather the average age, the yellow being the youngest, and the red more being the oldest. So in a state like Georgia has average age of 55, and you see Florida has this average age of 36. So what I did in the relationship age was pretty much have an easy way of lining up the relationship status and average age. So you see Alabama singles average age is 46. We can go through Florida, whose average domestic relationship is 42. And what I did for gender was something a little bit different. I split up male and female and gathered their preferred cold beverage and the average age associated. So for females, average age 43, their preferred beverage is iced coffee. So just a quick little explanation of what happened, my thought process throughout the project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.